Welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into something truly magical: Compass. Stay tuned because this tool might just change your life. You might be wondering, what exactly is Compass and how can it revolutionize your world? Well, Compass is an AI tool designed to guide you through complex data landscapes, making decision-making easier than ever before. Imagine you're navigating through a dense forest of information. Without a guide, you'd likely get lost. But with Compass, it's like having a digital map that highlights the best paths to take, helping you find the most valuable insights quickly. Let's break it down with an example. Say you run a small business and have tons of customer data. Manually analyzing this data could take weeks. Compass can sift through all that information in minutes, showing you trends and patterns that you might have missed. For instance, you might discover that 60% of your customers prefer shopping on weekends. With this insight, you can tailor your marketing strategies to boost sales during these peak times. Isn't that incredible? But Compass isn't just for businesses. Think about healthcare. Doctors can use Compass to analyze patient data, predicting potential health issues before they become serious. This proactive approach can save lives. For example, Compass could analyze thousands of patient records and identify that 30% of patients with specific symptoms are at risk of a particular condition. This allows doctors to intervene early, providing better care. Amazing, right? Now, let's talk about how Compass can help you personally. Whether you're planning your finances, imagine planning a vacation. With Compass, you can input your preferences, and it will suggest the best destinations, the optimal times to travel, and even the best deals available. It's like having a personal travel advisor in your pocket. And it's not just about convenience. It's about making informed decisions that enhance your experiences and save you time and money. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. How complicated is it to use Compass? The beauty of it is, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech genius to benefit from it. Compass features an intuitive interface that guides you step by step. It's designed for everyone, regardless of your tech savviness. So, you can focus on what matters most, making the best decisions with the information at hand. Professionals from all walks of life are already using Compass. From marketers to healthcare professionals, educators to financial planners, they're all leveraging the power of AI to gain a competitive edge. And here's the best part: Compass keeps learning and evolving. As you use it, it gets smarter, tailoring its insights to better fit your specific needs and preferences. It's like having an AI that grows with you. Think of it like a fine wine, getting better with age. The more you interact with Compass, the more it understands your patterns, delivering even more accurate and personalized recommendations. So, are you ready to unlock the magic of AI with Compass? If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech insights. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends. We've got more incredible content coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and let Compass guide you through the exciting world of AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to All About AI Tech and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out these other videos that dive deeper into the wonders of AI technology. See you in the next video.